Hi friends, it's Mrs. Ross, and today for writing time we have something a little bit different. First off, you have a book it's in your materials bag, and this says My Writing Book. And it says I Go To, and that's what the book is going to be called, I Go To. And so you can put your name right here in your very best printing. Remember, first letter capital, all the rest lowercase. And then you are going to create a book. So here on the first page, it says, I go to school. And it has a picture. This is kind of an old-fashioned schoolhouse, but we know that that's a school. Now right here, do you see how they have some gray letters? They say the same thing. I go to school. Well, you have a paper that looks just like this. It was attached to this little book, and it has all the words. It has to and school and I and go. You're going to cut right along those little dotted lines and cut the words out so that you can glue them in the correct place. So that way I can put the I right here. I can put the go right here. To right here. And the big one is going to fit right here with a period at the end. That's the first page. Then the next two pages, you're going to find places that you go. So this says, I go to, and I went to Sprouts. So I had this little piece right here that I can glue right in here. Maybe you went to Target and you can find a little Target sign, or you might need to go through your recycle bin and find some pictures of things like, I know I got an ad for Bartell drugs. I could have cut that one out. Maybe you have a bag from McDonald's that you went to. So you're going to glue in your piece that shows where you can go. It doesn't have to be somewhere you've gone to pretty recently. It could be any place that you've gone. I go to, and this says Sprouts, so I glued it in. I can write the word Sprouts here, or I can write the word Sprouts here. And then I've got one more page that says I go to, and I can find one more environmental print of someplace that I've gone. Now this one was a big one that I happen to have, was Qdoba. So I'm going to glue my sign that says Qdoba in there, and it says I go to, and it has just enough room right here for me to write Qdoba. And I can put a period at the end of my sentence. Now if you want, and you're finished with your book, you can always do a page in your yellow book and do a story about someplace that you've gone. You're welcome to do that. But that's your writing assignment for today, is creating a book of places that you go. And if you still have time, open up your yellow notebook and do a writing page in there. Okay, have fun, friends.